भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां शुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 159, 20th कारिका टीका। स्वपक्षम उक्त्वा स्वयूथ्य पक्षम अनुभाष्य दूषयति। Swapaksha is already said. Advaita Siddhanta was told. Now, and Sankhya Yoga, it was said, Parasparam Virudhyante, Tairayam na Virudyate. Now, Swayuthya Paksham Anubhashya. Swayuthya Paksha is Vedanta Ekadeshi Mata. See number 4, Tippani. संसार दशायाम द्वैतम सत्यम मोक्ष दशायाम तु च अद्वैतम सत्यम। इन संसार दशा द्वैत is satyam, means when I am ignorant then dvaitam is satyam, when I realize then advaitam is satyam। इति द्वैता द्वैतवादी वेदांत एकदेशी मतम इत्यर्थ है। ये द्वैता द्वैतवादी द्वैतम विचारे परमार्थबोधे त्वद्वैतमित्येष न साधुवादः पश्चाच्च लब्धे। वेरी गुड। द्वैतम विचारे परमार्थ बोधे तो अद्वैतम। एट द विचार काल देर इज द्वैतम, परमार्थ बोधे अद्वैतम। इति एष न साधुवादः। दिस इज नॉट ए राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। व्हाई? इफ यू से इट इज द्वैतम ऑल द टाइम। इफ यू से अद्वैतम, it is advaitam all the time. You cannot say in sansara kala there is dvaitam, in jnana kala it is advaitam. You say you Vedantin, you also Advaitin, you say Vyavahara kale dvaitam and Paramartha is Advaitam. So we say that is different. In Vyavahara, if it is Dvaitam, and in Paramartha it is Advaitam, there is no Virodha. In Paramartha means, while there is Dvaitam in Vyavahara, at that time also in Paramartha there is Advaitam, even during Avidya. And after Avidya Nivritti also, in Vyavahara there is Dvaitam, which is Mithya. And in Paramartha there is Advaitam. So Dvaitam is Mithya even during Avidya Kala. It is not that Dvaitam is Satyam. That is why that Tippanikar, he has added Sansar Dashayam Dvaitam Satyam and Moksha Dashayam Advaitam. So we say Sansar Dashayam Dvaitam Mithya, Moksha Dashayam api Dvaitam Mithya, Sansar Dashayam Advaitam Satyam, Moksha Dashayam api Advaitam Satyam. This is the difference between that Siddhanta and our. So that's why it is given Vedanta Ekadeshi Matam. So that they are called Swayuthya. Swayuthya means one's own party. Some people within Vedanta Paksha, their matam Anubhashya, having put it, Dushayati, dosha is shown in that matam. Ajatasyaiva bhavasya jatimichanti vadinah ajato hyamruto bhavo martyatam kathameshyati. Ajatasyaiva bhavasya vadinah kechit jatim ichanti. Some vadis means some Vedantins also, or some Ekadeshis. Ajatasya jatim ichanti. That which is Aja, Brahma, they say it has utpatti. Means karya rupena there is utpatti. What is wrong? Now Siddhanti's objection is this. Ajato hi amrito bhavaha. That which is Ajata is Amrita Swarupa. Martyatam katham eshyati. Amrita Vastu, how will it attain Martyatva? Means immortal, how it will become mortal. Immortal cannot become mortal, mortal cannot become immortal. Ajato hi amrito bhavo martyatam katham eshyati. Na eshyati. Tika. So immortal, if it becomes mortal, then what will be the problem? He will explain in the next Karika also. If immortal can become mortal, and mortal can become immortal, so Brahma can become Jiva. Jiva will become Brahma again. This is the philosophy of some people. Before creation, it was Brahma. Afterwards, now that Brahma has become Jiva. That is you and I. I will do sadhana. And then sadhana karke, one day this Jiva will become Brahma. If through sadhana, mortal can become immortal. Immortal has already become mortal because of Srishti Kriya. Now, if we will do sadhana and mortal will become immortal, then what will happen? This mortal, which has become immortal, after some time, again he will become mortal. Because this borrowed immortality is going to be impermanent. Any status arrived at through some practice is anitya. Simple example is, through practice we try to memorize things. So that memory will be anitya only, because after some time we will forget it. So what is the truth? Truth is effortless abidance in what is already there, Brahma. Okay. Anuvada bhagam vibhajate. Anuvada means what they have said, that part translated, now it is said. Yetu iti. So in Bhashya, what is the first word? ये तो पुनः केचिद उपनिषद व्याख्यातारो ब्रह्मवादिनो वावदूकाः some, ये तो पुनः, those on the other hand, they are the commentators on Upanishad. Upanishad vyakhyataraha kechid. So it is not that these people, there is, you will find their commentary also available. These Dvaita Dvaitavada existed before Bhashyakara. Correct? Bhashyakara, when he came, this was already there. So this is one of the matams like Bhartru Prapanchaka. Bhartru Prapancha mata is like this. Now, this matam is still there under a different Vedanta mata. Post Shankaracharya ji period. It was there before also. Now also it is available. So those who want to believe this way, they will continue to believe. You will find some people who are interested in some such philosophy. In fact, you will find some people interested in any kind of philosophy or any kind of no philosophy. You will always find. And that's why everybody's shop continues. If they have something to offer, if they have nothing to offer, still some matam will go on. Vavadukaha, Brahmavadinaha, they say we are Brahmavadi. Brahma vadanti iti Brahmavadi. They also speak of Brahmavadinaha. Vavaduka means those who blabber. Ajatasyaiva atmatatvasya amritasya swabhavatah jatim utpattim icchanti. Ajatasya eva atmatatvasya. Atmatattva which is ajata. Amritasya swabhavatah which is amrita by nature. Its jatim means utpattim icchanti. They say there is some utpatti of this Brahma Tattva. Means it transforms as some karya, parinama. Paramarthatah means actually there is a transformation. Not like how we say it is not actual, it is only illusion. Our word is everything is illusion. Illusion means illusion is not a best translation. Huh? You should stick to it is anirvachaniya. Because illusion shabda, what you understand, what other person understands and what the speaker wants to convey, it could be different. When we say mithya, means we mean it is not sat, not asat, not ubhaya. Illusion means what that person understands, we don't know. So Anirvachaniya is better shabda. जातिम उत्पत्तिम इच्छन्ति परमार्थतः एव तेषां जाते चेत तदेव मर्त्यताम एष्यति अवश्यम. Then if it is born, if it is created, it will get destroyed. जाते चेत तदेव मर्त्यताम एष्यति. If उत्पत्ति is there, नाश is for sure. टीका स्वभावतः एव अजातस्य स्वभावतः एव अमृतस्य च आत्मतत्त्वस्य परमार्थतः एव जातिम उत्पत्तिम ये स्वयुथ्याः स्वीकुर्वन्ति इत्यर्थः. स्वभावतः अजातस्य, by its nature it is ajata, स्वभावतः अमृतस्य च, and by nature it is amrita also, immortal. आत्मतत्त्वस्य परमार्थतः एव जातिम उत्पत्तिम ये स्वीकुर्वन्ति, those people who accept the utpatti, creation of that which is without creation, means that which is not an effect. In different words, that which is not an effect of anything, they say that will become cause of something. That which is not an effect of anything, they say it will become cause of something else. It is not possible logically. जो कार्य नहीं हो सकता वो कारण नहीं हो सकता. जो कार्य नहीं हो सकता वो कारण नहीं हो सकता. ये स्वयुथ्याः, they are स्वयुथ्य, means their own people, our own people, Vedanti, so-called Vedanti group. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः इति न्यायेन दूषयति. Complete this shloka.
ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य
च. Then second line. तस्माद् अपरिहार्यर्थे न त्वं शोचितुम् अर्हति. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः. If it is jata, it will have mrityu. Dhruvam janma mritasya cha. What is the meaning of dhruvam janma mritasya cha?
Definitely that which is wrong will have destruction also.
Definitely what?
That which is wrong will have destruction also.
Dhruvam janma mritasya cha. द्वितीय पाद है. ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च. Dhruvam is certainly, indeed. So Dhruvam is for sure in this sense. For sure this will happen. It is adverbial. It is Kriya Visheshan. Mrutasya janma dhruvam bhavati. Dhruvam will go with Kriya Pada. Dhruvam is not sanya here. Mrutasya janma dhruvam bhavati means if it dies, if it has death, either you say it will have birth in future, or you say if it has death, it had birth in the past. Because sometimes, like for our ancestors, we don't see their birth, but we see their death. We see them dying. When we see them dying, what is the conclusion? Therefore, they must be born earlier. And if I accept that there is death, there will be next body. So that next body will be, if I say there was death. For Atma, there was no death. Therefore, Atma will not have birth. Iti nyayana dushayati tesham iti. तेषां जाते चेत् अजातो टीका अजातो हि इत्यादि अक्षराणि उक्ते अर्थे योजयति. अजातो ह्यमृतो भावो मर्त्यतां कथमेष्यति. दैट पार्ट. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी ऑन दिस पेज. जातस्य अमृतत्व असंभव रूपे अर्थे. इफ इट इज जात, it cannot have amritatva. If it is born, it was never immortal. If it is not immortal, it can never be immortal. Forget moksha. Either I am already immortal or I should drop the idea of immortality. Moksha is not a future event. Moksha is to be claimed. It is already there. Moha nivritti is what is needed. This wrong idea. But I'll give you something else also to think. Look at Gaudapadacharya ji, right? What is the result of this jnanam in his life? Result of this jnanam is total uparati, total vairagya, no engaging in karma, not even adhyana adhyapana to that extent. So, when we study Mandukya, this is how we should think. What is the transformation that is expected? Bhashya. Sacha ajato hi amruto bhavaha swabhavatah san atma katham martyatam eshyati. Ajato hi amruto bhava. This ajata amrutah bhavaha. Immortality which is not caused, which is not initiated. Swabhavatah san atma katham martyatam eshyati. That atma, how will it attain martyatva, mortality? Katham martyatam eshyati. It cannot. न कथंचन मर्त्यत्वम स्वभाव वैपरीत्यम एष्यति इत्यर्थः. स्वभाव वैपरीत्य is not possible. So I have to be mukta. You know, I'll give you one exercise you can try. Now we've understood I am immortal. I cannot be mortal. Amritatva is my swarupa. As Atma, not as a person. Amritatva is my swarupa as Atma. So I am immortal by nature. So my effort is to remind myself that I am Atma and not Ahankara. What we should try as an exercise is just for ourselves. Think you are a Jivan Mukta and try to do Vyavahara as a Jivan Mukta. So like somebody says something. Somebody means some stranger. If there is somebody who tells you something whom you can scold and you can, because they are your student, that is different. Like any one of you. If you say something to me, I can scold you. But if somebody, one of you tells something to somebody else, one of you, then you cannot scold each other. That time you have to act as Jivan Mukta. And how will Jivan Mukta act? whatever they say, you smile. You say, Tadhastu. Okay. Try to act as Jivan Mukta. You will actually find even acting as Jivan Mukta is difficult. To smile no matter what. Inside, you might have all the turbulence, but you should think this way. Okay. Somebody said something. You don't like it. Don't say anything. Because you say, I have taken a vow, pratignya, that in Chaturmasa I will act as Jivan Mukta. A fake Jivan Mukta. But I am telling you that also is a sadhana. Because you have to remember, oh, in this situation, what will Jivan Mukta do? Jivan Mukta will not shout at anyone. Okay, I also should not shout. Let's say something hits you, it pains. What would Jivan Mukta say? I am not the body. Okay, I have to remember that. So if somebody will ask, is it hurting? No, it is not hurting. I am not the body. Even to act like a Jivan Mukta, it is difficult. But it is good sadhana. It is a sadhana. So think of it as lifelong acting. You will actually become Jivan Mukta. Do you agree, or I don't know if you agree or not? Yes?
So maybe.
You just try to act. Let's say it is too hot. You say, I have told everybody I am Jivan Mukta what to do. I will accept heat. If you go to shower, there is no water in the bathroom. You cannot shout at any Swami. Why? Because now you are Jivan Mukta. Slowly you will find whatever is there, at the superficial level, all will start. I'm just giving an example. What I'm trying to say is, even to act like a Jivan Mukta will bring transformation. And it is actually a sadhana. It requires struggle on our part to correct ourselves. What if it becomes our natural swabhava? Then there is definitely total transformation. This is why Arjuna asked, Sita Prajna se ka bhasha? Why? How would you define a Sthita Prajna? How will he do Vyavahara? What will he do? How does he talk? How does he walk? Etc. What is the purpose? So that I can imbibe those things in myself. But that doesn't mean when you hear the story that, oh, somebody went for some surgery without anesthesia, so I also will. You take anesthesia. Don't worry. Okay. न कथंचन मर्त्यत्वम स्वभाव वैपरीत्यम एष्यति इत्यर्थः. Swabhava Vaiparitya is never possible. For Amrita, Martyatva is Swabhava Vaiparitya. That is Na Eshyati Ityarthaha. Further, Padarthanam Swabhava Vaiparitya Gamanam Anupapannam iti Uktam Prapanchayati. Now, Padartha cannot undergo change in their Swabhava, that is elaborated. Na Bhavatyam Mritam Martyam नमर्त्यमृतं तथा प्रकृतेरन्यथा भावो न कथंचित् भविष्यति. You have to memorize these shlokas if you have not already memorized. अमृतम मर्त्यम न भवति. न मर्त्यम अमृतम. मर्त्यम अमृतम न भवति. तथा. तथा means and also, tatha is chakara. Mortal cannot become immortal. Immortal cannot become mortal. So you can put either way. First you can say martyam amritam na bhavati. Or you can say amritam martyam na bhavati. And then martyam amritam na bhavati. Or, but same thing you don't say twice. Why? Prakriter anyatha bhavo na kathanchit bhavishyati. What is the prakriti of a thing? Nature of a thing cannot become otherwise. Anyatha bhava kathanchit na bhavishyati. If I am mukta, I will be mukta. If I am baddha, I will remain baddha. Illusory bondage means anirvachaniya bandhana, nivritti can happen through all this jnana prakriya. And after nivritti, you don't have to do any extraordinary thing. You live like a normal human being, that's all. टीका तत्र पूर्वार्धम हेतुत्वेन व्याचष्टे. फर्स्ट हाफ इज हेतु. उत्तरार्धम हेतुमत्वेन योजयति. हेतु हेतुमत. पूर्वार्धम इज हेतु. उत्तरार्धम इज हेतुमत. हेतुमत मीन्स व्हाट इज हेतुमत? कर्म. हियर यू every time hetu is not karma phala. ये हेतु मति साध्य है. हेतु will do siddhi of sadhya. हेतु वाला. If हेतु is धूमा, धूम वाला क्या है? धूम वाला है वन्नी. हेतु हेतु मत. और you say हेतु means कारणम, then हेतु मत will be its karyam. Okay, question. Hetu and sadhya. Dhuma is hetu or sadhya?
Hetu.
Dhuma is hetu. Vanni is sadhya. Hetu means karanam. So dhuma is karanam. Vanni is karyam.
Jnanam, Dhuma is Karanam.
Half correct. For Vanni Jnanam,
Dhuma is Karanam.
Dhuma Jnanam is Karanam. For Vanni Jnanam, Dhuma Jnanam is Karanam. Dhuma is not Karanam. So Dhuma Jnanam is Karanam. Vanni Jnanam is Karyam. But Vanni is Karanam. Dhuma is clear this much, huh? So Purvardham Hetutvena, Uttarardham Hetumatvena. So now first half is the Hetu. Since Amrita cannot become Martya, Martya cannot become Amrita, this is the Hetu. Therefore, anything cannot become anyatha in its swabhava. Drishtanta Acharya will give. You see Bhashya. Yasman na bhavati amritam martyam loke napi martyam amritam tatha. Tataha prakritehe swabhavasya anyatha bhavaha स्वतः प्रच्युति ही न कथंचित भविष्यति. स्वभावस्य अन्यथा भावः स्वतः प्रच्युति ही कथंचित न भविष्यति. इट नेवर हैपन्स. टिप्पणी नंबर 1 and 2. लोके अमृतम आकाशादि ततः इति अमृतादेः मर्त्यत्वादि असंभवात्. अमृतम आकाशादि. इन द वर्ल्ड आकाश इज अमृत. Akasha Nasha is not seen in Vyavahara. In the same way, in Paramartha also, what is Amrita will not become Martya. Amritadehe Martyatvadi asambhavat. Agnehe iva Ushnasya in Bhashya. Like Agni, its Ushnata is its Swabhava. It will never go away. Agni will never be cold. यथा अग्नेः स्वभावभूतस्य उष्णत्वस्य अन्यथात्वं शैत्यगमनम् अयुक्तम्. अग्नेः शैत्यगमनम् अयुक्तम्. इस स्वभावतः it is उष्ण. So if that's why we say moksha, for moksha there is jnana marga. Jnana marga means you are not going to attain moksha in future. You have to understand you are already mukta. This is nididhyasanam. What is nididhyasanam? I am not deha. I am atma. I am not ahankara. I am atma. This is nididhyasanam. Because I am atma, therefore I am already free. This is nididhyasanam. Nididhyasanam is not I will become free, or I am ahankar right now, I will become atma. I am already atma. Erroneously I am thinking I am ahankara. This switch I have to do. This switch through shravanam, through yukti, I have to do this switch. Or this dvaitam which is appearing. This dvaitam is abhasa matra. Through yukti I have to prove. This is abhasa. तथा अन्यत्रापि स्वभावस्य अन्यथात्वम अनुचितम. In the same way, elsewhere also, स्वभावस्य अन्यथात्वम अनुचितम. स्वरूप नाश प्रसंगात इत्यर्थः. स्वरूप नाश prasanga will take place. Means a thing will lose its essential nature. Right? This discussion, see, Jiva Brahma. Jiva retaining Jivatva, it will become Brahma, or giving up Jivatva, it will become Brahma. Which is the possibility? Jiva giving up Jivatva will become Brahma, or Jiva retaining Jivatva will become Brahma. If Jiva retains Jivatva and becomes Brahma, the Jivatva is already there. Moksha Kale also, he is a crying fellow all the time. Jiva, if he retains Jivatva, he is not free. Jiva gives up Jivatva, let us say. Then who attains Brahmatva? Jiva itself is not there. That is Swarupa Nasha Prasanga. Swabhavasya anyathatva is not possible. So Jiva will never become Brahma, retaining Jivatva or giving up Jivatva. Brahma alone has to claim I am Brahma. Nanu, I am going to continue. This next one is also small and it is related. Nanu Brahma Karana Rupena Pragutpattehe Amritamapi Karyakarena Utpatti Uttara Kalam Martyatam Gamishyati. Brahma Karana Rupena Pragutpattehe Amritam. As Karana Utpattehe Prag, before creation, Amritamapi. Karya akarena utpatti uttar kalam martyatam gamishyati. As karya, it can become martya. Purva Pakshi is suggesting this. Earlier, as karana, it is amrita. Now, as karya, it is martya. What is wrong? Tato rupa bhedad ubhayam aviruddham. So, rupa bheda is there. Karana rupena different. Karya rupena different. अविरुद्धम् इति तत्राह स्वभावेनामृतो यस्य भावो गच्छति मर्त्यताम् कृतकेनामृतस्तस्य कथं स्थास्यति निश्चलः। स्वभावेन यस्य भावो यस्य स्वभावेन अमृतः यस्य भावः मर्त्यतां यदि गच्छति, that which is स्वभावेन amrita, if it attains martyatva, let us say, then I already explained this, immortal has become mortal, then through sadhana if it tries to become immortal, that immortality, that moksha which is attained through sadhana, it will be anitya. After that immortality, in few days he will again become mortal. Kritaka amrutatva, how it will become nishchalaha, katham nishchalaha sthasyati, how can it be permanent? It is a created moksha. Created moksha will be anitya. Purvardham sadhyaharam yojayati yasya. So first half is explained in bhashya. यस्य पुनर्वादिनः स्वभावेन अमृतो भावः मर्त्यताम गच्छति परमार्थतः जायते. By स्वभाव if it is amrita and actually it becomes martya, means really I have become jiva, really I have become baddha. If somebody accepts, then tasya pragutpattehe sabhavah स्वभावतः अमृतः इति प्रतिज्ञा मृषैव. Then earlier he was immortal, this proposition itself is false, because that immortal has become mortal. If he is immortal, he should always remain immortal. If he becomes mortal, that is, it was never immortal to begin with. That pratignya is mrisha eva. In Tika, same idea is given. Pragavasthayam api karanasyaiva karyakareena janma yogyataya martyatva avagamat mrishaiva pratignya syadityartha. Earlier avastha was karana. At that time it was amrita. Karyakareena janma yogyataya martyatva. And then when it becomes karya, it has become mortal. In other words, if it goes from karana to karya, that itself is, it is anitya. It is mortal. It is not immortal. It is not amrita swarupa. Janma yogyataya martyatva avagamat mrishaiva pratignya syat. That pratignya, that earlier it was amrita, itself is wrong. Katham tarhi in tika. Katham tarhi tasya pratignya yukta iti ashankya कृतकेन मर्त्य विलयेन अमृतः तस्य वादिनः स कारणाख्यो भावो भवति इति प्रतिज्ञा युक्ता इत्याह. Then how, Purvapakshi is asking, tasya pratignya yukta, then how you can say that pratignya is yukta iti ashankya कृतकेन मर्त्य विलयेन अमृतः तस्य वादिनः. That kritaka martyatva is there, you destroy it and you attain amritatva. So that karya is now undergoing something and then it will become karana again. Sa karanakhyo bhavo bhavati. This pratignya, how it will work? Katham yukta ityaha. So then this is what Siddhanti is asking in Bhashya. Katham tarhi kritakena अमृतः तस्य स भावः कृतकेन अमृतः सः कथं स्थास्यति निश्चलः. That caused liberation, immortality through some event. How it will last forever? It is like I have borrowed money and I am rich by borrowed wealth. How this is going to last, you tell me? You don't have anything of your own. This, when that person comes to take it away, you are back to street. तस्य स भावः कृतकेन अमृतः स कथं स्थास्यति निश्चलः. अमृतस्वभावतया न कथंचित् स्थास्यति इति आत्मजातिवादिनः सर्वदा अजं नाम नास्ति एव सर्वम् एतन्मर्त्य. If you accept Atma Jati, Utpatti, then there is no such thing called Ajam. Sarvam etan martyam only. Then for them, everything is martya. That Ajatavada is not Ajatavada. Ato anirmoksha prasanga hai iti abhipraya. Then there is no moksha. If you say that thing which was immortal has become mortal, forget moksha. So we don't say Brahma has become Jiva. Brahma thinks he is Jiva out of avidya. This is avidya. So I should reduce my identification with Panchakosha and I should strengthen my jnanam. That my Bhranti is telling me that I am Baddha. Both are needed. Panchakosha Abhimana also has to go through Vairagya and Jnanam has to be strengthened. Because if Vairagya is not there, that Jnanam will never become strong. It is like you go on putting lot of water in a tank which has big holes. Water will never be there. Tika. भवतु प्रलयावस्थायाम अमृत अवस्था परिणामेन अमृतत्वम ततो वा किम स्यात्. प्रलयावस्थायाम अमृत अवस्था परिणामेन अमृतत्वम. सो बिफोर उत्पत्ति अद्वैत, ड्यूरिंग उत्पत्ति द्वैत, आफ्टर प्रलय अगेन अद्वैत. Why can't it happen this way? He says this is kritaka moksha. Then after pralaya, if there is advaita, again there will be utpatti, again there will be dvaitam. Either you take utpatti and pralaya in this way, or you say Brahma, then Jiva Bhava, after Jiva Bhava, again Brahma Bhava, then again Jiva Bhava. It will go on. Kritakattvasya yat kritakam tadanityam. This is Nyaya. Yat kritakam tadanityam. So, Ghatavat. So, if moksha is kritaka, it is anitya. Iti vinashitvena vyaptatvad ityartha. That moksha is pervaded by vinashitva. Yatra yatra kritakatvam tatra tatra anityatvam vinashitvam. Kincha asyam avasthayam karyamatram vastu इति अजम ब्रह्म अस्मि इति ज्ञान अभावात् मोक्षो न स्यात्. I am ajam Brahma. This jnanam is not there in this avastha. Why? Because I was ajam, but now I am not aja, and therefore jnanam is not there, and because of that moksha na syat. He will not have moksha. Tippani number 4. Actually 3 and 4 both tippanis we can see. Martyatva means janma yogyatvam. He martyatvam. Asyam avasthayam sansar dasha. In sansar dasha. So, while sansara is there, karya matram. Natu kinchidapi akaryam ajam. Ajarupam. Everything is karya only. See, you cannot even think this way that everything is aja, part of it has become karya. Even that proposal is incorrect because there is no part in Brahma. Okay, time is over. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.